$2, $10, $25, $30, and XRP are all closer than ever, and we are going to be discussing this in today's video. Now before I get started, I want to tell you guys to please smash the like button on the Crypto Geek video, subscribe to my channel if you are brand new, and of course comment your thoughts down below. Now guys, this is an insane episode. The market, was bright green. We just have a dark red crash, and I'm going to be discussing all this in today's video. So please watch until the end. I also want to mention I'm not a financial or legal advisor, and let's get right into it. After a bright green market where Bitcoin hit highs of $47,500, the market is now red and is actually down, with Bitcoin being at 46,300 approximately. XRP hit highs of $1.35 and is now low at $1.27. Even ADA, a cryptocurrency that is very close to XRP, actually reached highs of about $2.25 and is now at $2.11. But what is the real issue in the situation, and why did I say $2, 5, 10, 15, 20 or whatever, and XRP is closer than ever? Well guys, it is very important to understand a few key factors that are playing a role in this dark market. Realistically, the only issue that we see here is a correction. Corrections are actually perfectly normal and are actually things that allow the market to spike up in value and allow you to make more and more money. This allows you to actually make higher highs and higher lows. In this case, guys, and we will be referring back to the chart, XRP did a correction at $1.34, and now that, as you can see, we are going to be pretty much over the correction, I believe we're going to get new higher highs. Why do I say that? Well, let's have a look at the previous chart. So this was actually started, so this is our previous correction that we had on August 14th, so yesterday. We hit highs of about $1.25. Once that happened, we hit a correction that actually brought it all the way down to $1.18, and then very shortly after, a major pump bringing it to $1.31. And this isn't the only example. And not the day before that, even actually in this case the same day. So on August 14, we had another correction at the beginning of the day, bringing it all the way from $1.19 to lows of $1.11, and then we did have another major pump right here that brought it to highs of $1.22. Another example, and this is the day before yesterday, so August 13th, we had this correction. We actually had two once again. We had this major correction that brought it to 98 cents. We had the pump, $1.03, and then another correction right here that brought us from $1.03 all the way to lows of $1.01, and a major pump bringing us back up to $1.05. So as you guys can see, it's just a trend even here, guys, and this was August 12th. What happened? It went from 97 cents to lows of 92 cents with a major pump kicking back in, and in short, within the same day, guys, we hit highs of $1. So this is something that is perfectly normal, and I'm referring to this right now and very recently. Of course, this is something that we're not going to go over. This is a whole different situation, but this is insane, guys, and this is what we're talking about. That's why I believe we're going to see higher highs. We did have a pump here, and I'll quickly actually go over it because you guys are going to be interested. This was actually on August 11th. There was a bit of positive news that actually allowed the XRP to spike up in value, but then as you guys can see, it did go down as a whole. Now, this is good and bad. Number one, it allowed us to hit that 110 mark, reducing the resistance there. And of course, you had those people sell. And the second good aspect is now that we are increasing, right? We're coming back up, or in this case, we are way past this. So, or now that we have already had come up, it allowed it to go up a lot faster because now you have a lot of the people that were planned to sell at the $1.10 range have already sold a lot of them. You also have more people now buying in at these lows. And when somebody buys at around, 93 all the way to 97 cents, they're not really going to sell at that dollar five, because they're trying to make really big profits. So again, it is amazing, and this actually helped us get to where we are now. Now, overall, referring back to the charts, I'm not going to do too many lines because it does confuse you. That's why I'm just showing you guys and explaining it to you guys. Otherwise, I could go lines and we can show you guys charts and stuff. But the simplest way to say it, guys, is right now we're about to create new higher highs after this correction. All that happened is we kind of got all the people that, were hosting the resistance at 135. Even for Bitcoin is at now at 46. We're getting rid of all those people hosting the resistance at 47,000 and 47.5. So now when we get a pump, there's going to be no resistance. We're just going to go easily fly through. It is definitely really exciting news. I'm going to go ahead and actually go into some very important posts that I was going to talk about, different to the actual charts value of XRP. It's this tweet right here: 40 million XRP, which is valued at $53 million, transferred from unknown wallet to Binance. Now, the whole Binance thing is not my problem. My issue right here is not even an issue, it's a bullish sign, is 40 million XRP. Who do you think is buying 40 million XRP? There's no way a normal retail investor like me and you, or even an ordinary person, even a millionaire, is going to buy you 40 million XRP valued at 53 million. It must be some type of large scale investor, which are institutions and short. And this is not the only one. As you can see, we get another transfer of 9 million XRP transferred from Bittrex to unknown wallet. And it just keeps on going. I don't think I retweeted all of them, but it just keeps on going and going. And what this is showing me is that institutional investors, financial institutions, are really going into XRP. They're buying in, they're investing in XRP, they believe in XRP. Banks, central banks are buying in because now they're actually trying to use XRP as a cross-border payment method. RippleNet's getting integrated into all of these banks. It's just extraordinary. Ripple has a total of 100 billion XRP, as most of this XRP gets used because we don't actually have access to 100 billion. So I was reading in an article actually in the past, but I have some images on your screen right now. And it is actually that Ripple owns 60% of the 100 billion XRP that there actually is of total supply. And as you guys can see in front of you, there's one that says Ripple holds over 70 billion and one that says 60 billion. We're going to go with the lower scale one because that's the one I've most commonly seen. 60%, 60 billion out of the 100 billion. That leaves all the financial institutions, banks, central banks, financial investors to only have access to 40 billion crypto tokens of XRP. And so when you're investing $50 million, you go to 40 million XRP, it really does add up. 40 times 10, that's 400 million already. You also have to calculate for Ripple's 5,000 XRP burn rate a day. Or my bad, XRP's burn rate. So you were actually burning 5,000 XRP per day, making you a total of 1,825,000 XRP burned a year. And as stated in the text right in front of you, this average daily burn rate will accelerate with time during the process of XRP mass adoption. That being said, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this educational, factual video where I discuss a major pump basically coming to Ripple due to a correction and the supply of Ripple XRP. That being said, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please support the channel by smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel if you are brand new, and of course commenting your thoughts down below on XRP Ripple. I also wanted to mention that I am currently always retweeting the latest news on my Twitter, CryptoGeek The link is down below, and I'm also hosting the biggest, or trying to host the biggest, Discord for crypto, and more specifically the XRP Ripple army. So make sure you join the Discord. All my links are down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.